Hello everyone, I'm Urologist Erdem Akkaya. The subject we will talk about today is what the weak morning erections tell you and what clues they give you. Is it just a bad case for erectile dysfunction or does it give you other clues about your body? We will have a short video about this. When a patient with erectile dysfunction comes to our clinic, we first evaluate his morning erection. We ask how it is, how long it lasts, its degree, whether he can get as erect as before. Because morning erections gives us clues about whether the patient's erectile dysfunction is psychological or organic. Sometimes the patient says that 6 months ago, morning erections were good, but gradually decreased. And he says that while he used to get up erect every day, in the last months he has gotten up erect a few times and the other days he gets up normally. Of course for the patient it's not a complaint, but for us it's a very important clue. If this patient's morning erection is decreasing, it means that his erectile capacity is deteriorating. There is a good study on this. They have monitored male patients between 50 and 70 years of age for 8 years. They investigated which parameters actually point to this early death among these patients who experienced early death. And it turns out that reduced morning erection is one of the clues to early death in many patients. Other clues were thick waist circumference, low mobility, having more than 2 chronic diseases or cardiovascular diseases. One of the other important criteria is a decrease in morning erection, erectile dysfunction, which tells us that the risk of death in patients is higher. So erectile dysfunction and decreased morning erection tell us this. There is such a problem with your cardiovascular or other systems that your health is deteriorating. Do something to save yourself. That's why the morning erection is an important thing. It gives us clues about many things. Our penis has to wake up before us and say hello to us. That's one of my favorite professor's words. Our penis has to wake up before us and greet us so that we can start the day happy and see that we have power. Thank you for listening. Best regards.